197, 198, 199, and 200. Woo! Oh hey, didn't see you come in. What am I doing? Oh, it's leg day. Now I know what you're thinking. It's just legs. How hard can they be? If that's the case, tell me why you're out here drawing legs that look like half-cooked noodles. Obviously, there's plenty of ways to stylize legs. You've seen it, I've seen it. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Let's go over some basics first to give you some structure. Underneath those thick thighs, believe it or not, lay some bones. 4 to be exact. The big one on the top called the femur, the kneecaps, then the two next to each other, one being the shin bone and the other one I can't be bothered to remember the name of. And all those bones are connected to the pelvis, which looks kind of like this in females and kind of like that in males. On top of the bones, you've got the major muscle groups. The quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves. There's probably more muscles, but who cares? I'm not an anatomy major. Finally, on top of the muscles is the fat, most often seen kind of in the top inner thighs, around the glutes, and sort of all over if the legs have a higher fat content. Now, why did I just tell you about the makeup of the legs instead of just showing you a quick hack to draw the shapes? Say it with me! You can't draw from your brain when there's nothing there to begin with. When drawing, people rarely actually think about everything that lies below the surface. And that, my friend, is why so often it looks like your anatomy doesn't have bones. My next tip can be applied in many more areas than just the legs. And that's when you're drawing limbs, use a combination of straight edges and curved edges. It helps keep the silhouette clear and the lines clean. Though your straight edges do not have to be perfect. If you were to use a straight edge tool, it looks a little bit odd and too rigid. The actual shapes of the legs are not too complicated. They can be broken down into an upside down triangle and a diamond-like shape. Where they overlap is the knee. When we go to smooth out the lines, we can use what we learned of the muscle structure to add subtle detail and know where the shading should land roughly. This shape structure I showed you can be used for all angles. If you want to make your legs look super muscular, I suggest looking up references of bodybuilders. Well guys, that's all for leg day. I'm sure you'll be feeling it tomorrow. As always, here's some references for you to screenshot. Keep practicing, and I'll see you later. Hey, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss another upload. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, go ahead and drop those in the comments, and I'll be lurking to see them.